Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Billy Joseph, aka the New Generation Marketer. Guys, here from Jacksonville, Florida. And real quick today in this video, I want to cover with you the daily steps, 5 daily steps that you can take to fire your boss, if that's your goal for you. Now, of course, if you're happy in your job and you love what you do, hey, but if you want to learn how to increase your income and you want to be able to that point to where you can fire your boss, today I'm going to give you 5 daily steps to fire your boss. Now, before I do get into it, I do want to remind you that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to click that subscribe button down below. Also, to that very right, that bell, click that bell so that you're notified of any new videos that I put out. So yeah, so you're at that point. You're at your job, you hate your job, you don't like it, and you want to be free. And you want to find out how you can basically fire your boss. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of go over just 5 steps you can do every day to fire your boss. So we're going to start with number one. Number one, the first step that you can do to fire your boss is you can take about 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes in the morning before you start your day to just really think about what you want your life to look like. Basically see it, feel it, see what you want to be doing, see what kind of lifestyle that you want to lead, see what you want to be contributing, who you want to be impacting. Just have a vision that really gets you fired up every single day, and just take 10-15 minutes to really meditate on that and feel it, how it feels. Even though you may be in a job that you don't like, even though you may be in a job and you want to be free, be in that moment, that very feeling, how it would feel to just have fired your boss. So take 10-15 minutes to do that every single day. Just meditate on that. Step number 2. Take 15 minutes to 30 minutes of personal growth and personal development. So I want you to think about just maybe reading maybe about 10 pages of a really good book like Think and Grow Rich, or like Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, or The 12-Week Year, or The Slight Edge, maybe about 10 pages, and read that every single day. Now, of course, also, if you're not really a book reader, you may want to listen to an audio book on that, or you may want to listen to 15 minutes from Jim Rohn, or Les Brown, or Anthony Robbins, but just 15 minutes of just personal growth every single day. Step 3, take 1 hour. Take 1 hour to learn something new every day. So, of course, if you're in the home business arena and you want to be able to fire your boss, learn something about maybe traffic, maybe lead generation, maybe on how to build your business with YouTube, or how to use paid traffic like solo ads, or media traffic, or Facebook ads, or SEO. Concentrate and just find something that you can learn every single day, one marketable skill that you can learn something new every single day. That's just step number 3. Step number 4, once you learn that something, don't just learn it. Don't just take that knowledge and keep it on the inside. Execute on what you learn every single day. Okay? Step number 4. That's step number 4. 1 hour execution. Because what good is knowledge if it's not executed? And finally, the 5th step is step number 5. Take an hour or 2, depending on how much time you have during your day, to really network, connect with new people, prospect, recruit. And when I say network, you may be a person that may be like Facebook. So connect with other people, and not just think about, I want to connect with this person to maybe get them in my business or have them join my opportunity. No, I mean really connect with them. Find out what they do. Find out more about them. Have a conversation with them. Actually gain a new friend. And focus on doing that every single day. Again, based on how much time you have, if you have 30 minutes, if you have 40 minutes, if you have an hour, if you have 2 hours. So take time to do that every single day. So this is basically your blueprint if you want to fire your boss. Because here's the thing. If you're meditating, doing step number one, if you're visualizing and you're being that person, if you're growing yourself through personal development, if you're learning a new skill every single day and then applying that new skill, and if you're actually constantly taking action, and then you're taking that action and you're showing people, you're creating videos, or you're connecting with new people and showing them how to do things to build their own business, and if you're just gaining new friends, you will succeed in building your own business. 5 steps, guys. 5 steps. Broken down, something that you can do every single day. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this 5 steps to fire your boss. I will see you on the next video. And as always, be sure to hit subscribe and click the little bell. I'll see you in the next video. God bless you.